पता चला था। दिल के अरमा आंसुओं में बह गए जब कोमल की जगह सरसद निकल आए। तो चलें जी, अच्छी बात है। इस कहानी का इनसे कोई ताल्लुक नहीं। हाँ, सिर्फ मैं इनको मैसेज किया करती थी। राइट, ओके, तो करें स्टार्ट। कर दिए, चले। तो इनके जो वो वाले जज्बात है ना, मैं उनसे भी बाखबर हूँ। यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट एग्जैक्टली। ऑलराइट, तो इसीलिए ना यासीन साहब कहते थे बाकी भी ऑप्शंस है, लेकिन ये कोमल मुझे बहुत अच्छा अंडरस्टैंड करती है, क्यों ना करे, मुझसे ज़्यादा कौन कर सकता है, राइट। अच्छा जी, चलें जी, ये तंज़ो मज़ा अपनी जगह पे रहा, लेकिन जल्दी ख़त्म कर दिया। तो वरना इरादा ये था कि किसी अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट में बुला के तो वहाँ पे फिर इसका ड्रॉप सीन होगा, लेकिन पहले ही कर दिया। बच्चे पे मुझे तरस आ गया था, सीरियस हो रहा था। हाँ, तो ये डेडिकेट करते हैं इनको कहानी, क्योंकि आज इनकी इंगेजमेंट की एनिवर्सरी है। एंगेजमेंट की कितनी एनिवर्सरी? शादी की तो 8वीं होगी ना। शादी से कितने साल पहले एंगेजमेंट हुई? 2 साल पहले। 10 साल हो गए हैं इनकी इंगेजमेंट को। और इनकी इंगेजमेंट का मैसेज मैंने बनाया था इंग्लिश में। इन्होंने मुझे कहा कि मैसेज बनाए, और मैं मैसेज बनाऊं और उसमें कुछ निकले ना। मैंने लिखा एनुअल इंगेजमेंट सेरेमनी। और इन्होंने सबको आगे फॉरवर्ड भी कर दिया। फिर बाद में लोगों ने बताया हर साल होती है आपकी एनुअल इंगेजमेंट सेरेमनी। ये सारी सच्ची बातें, क्यों इस्माइला ऐसे ही है ना? ये ठीक हो गया। अच्छा जी, आगे चलते हैं। क्वेश्चंस 10 to 13, आंसर द क्वेश्चंस बिलो। अब आ गया जी शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है। और पार्ट 1 में आम तौर पे जो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं उसमें क्वेश्चंस और आंसर ना इंग्लिश। इन पार्ट 1 ऑल द क्वेश्चंस दैट वी हैव, क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स आर इन ऑर्डर। That is why try your level best to complete part 1 in 10 to 15 minutes so that you have more time for part 2 and part 3. Anyways, let's take a start. Again, from the question you will find a clue word. Questions and answers are in order. You'll go back. How far under the ground was the boat found? Look here. How far under the ground? Answer is going to be in feet or meters. कि ज़मीन के कितने नीचे थी बोट? How far under the ground the boat was found? How far under the ground the boat was found? Look for the word meters, feet. Second paragraph. At the base of a deep shaft, 6 meters below the modern streets, a wooden structure was revealed. Okay, 6 meters below the modern streets. So underground, for that they use the word modern streets. And answer is 6 meters. And what is the instruction? No more than 3 words and or are. No, you will not write below. Just you will write 6 meters. Because it's mentioned how far under the ground? 6 meters. Okay? Because it is said here, no more than 3 words and or a number. Now, have you noticed one thing? They have written 6 as a word. They do it deliberately so that you don't identify it. Otherwise, numbers are easy to be identified. But when they write numbers in words, so they often do this as well. Okay? Answer is 6 meters, and you can write meters as M-E-T-R-E-S. No, they've mentioned here M-E-T-R-E-S. Just go back and see. M-E-T-R-E-S. Both ways they are right, but when I said copy and paste it, then you should write it as it is. Question number 11. What natural material? Underline natural material. Now, what is the natural material? Wood. Wood is the natural material. All right. Then we've got other. Cane is natural material. Okay. What natural material had been secured to the boat to prevent water entering? Look here. To prevent water entering means making it waterproof. So in order to make the boat waterproof, they used some natural material. Natural material is the material found in nature. It can be trees, plants, or anything like that. Now let's go back. Natural material they used to prevent water entering. Look for the word water. Third paragraph. Can you see the word watertight? Third paragraph, second last line. So, the seams had been made watertight. Watertight means what? Watertight means prevent water entering. So, seams had been made watertight by pads of moss. Now answer can be moss, but if they have mentioned no more than 3 words, so you can write pads of moss. Moss is green color thing, right? So pads of moss, M-O-S-S, moss. Only moss is also right answer. Up to you. You can write one, or because they've mentioned 3 words. If it is 1 word only, then you would write only moss. Okay, question number 12. What aspects of the boat was the focus of 2012 reconstruction? 2012 reconstruction, what aspect of the boat? Go back. What aspect of the boat 2012 reconstruction? Please come to second last paragraph of the passage. Second page, second last paragraph. Can you see 2012? Yes. All right. So let's read it from there. They have mentioned 2012 2 times here. Let's read it. A small team began. Now we are going to look for the part of the boat which was there. A small team began to make the boat at the start of 2012 on the Roman lawn outside this. This is a full-scale reconstruction of midsection had been made in 1996. Now we are looking for the part of the boat. It hasn't come yet. Primarily to see how bronze-age replica tools performed. In 2012, however, the hull shape was the center of the work. Hull shape was center of work. Center of work means focus. So what aspect of the boat was the focus of 2012 reconstruction? Hull shape. H-U-L-L, hull, S-H-A-P-E, hull shape. Clear? Okay, last question. Which 2 factors, whenever in the question they say 2 factors, look for the word and. With and, they can be 2 things together or separately. Which 2 factors influence the decision not to make a full-scale reconstruction of the boat? 2 factors. Same paragraph. Look for 2 words with dash and dash. Second last paragraph, fourth last line. It was decided. Mil gaya? Yes. It was decided to make the replica half-scale for reasons of cost and time. Right? It was decided to make the replica half-scale for reasons of cost and time. So which 2 factors? You will write your answer because they've mentioned no more than 3 words. No more than 3 words. So you can write cost and time. If the same question type is no more than 2 words, then you will write cost, comma, and time, or otherwise cost, space, and then you can write time. Clear? All right, that's good.